Hi everyone, so today I've decided to film a everyday makeup look for you guys, but make sure you don't kind of copy this look because I tried to do it kind of whack and you'll see why. But my annoying ass husband is going to be commentating it instead of me. We'll just see how it goes.
Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel, and today I'm going to be doing a simple catfish operation. I'm going to start by taking this big bottle of Vaseline and just smothering it on my face. Yeah, just rub it. Just put it on your cheeks like so, put some on your nose, put some on your forehead, just cover your face in it basically. Now I'm going to take this brown eyebrow brush and just slowly brush up my eyebrows. Basically the trend seems to be at the moment to make your eyebrows look really thick. So yeah, so as you can see, I've done my left and my right and they are both finito. They look hella bushy, but we move. Now I'm gonna take this. What is this? This is concealer. I'm gonna put some concealer on my eyelids, and it really doesn't make a difference, but I do this for good luck at the start of all of my makeup looks. So yeah, just roll with it basically. Next I'm gonna take some foundation, Lasting Radiance from Rimmel. That's a really good brand, so I would definitely suggest you go out and get yourself some of that. And just take a brush. I could use my finger, but I like to take a brush because it makes me feel more special and bougie. So I just put some on my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead, just all over my face basically. I just dab it, just put some dots, and you know, just cover your face basically. Nothing too special, just a basic cover job. And then I'm gonna take out this poofy pom-pom and just pom-pom my face. Just pom-pom my face basically. Yeah, and pause. What the heck? What are we doing here? What is this face? Who do I look like? Someone put in the comments what I look like, because I look like an idiot. Now, keeping it moving, just carry on pom-pomming your face basically. Just pomade that. Just pom-pom it up. Just cover your face. Get that full coverage, girls. Now I'm going to take this magical elf mixture, and as if by magic I put it underneath my eyes to cover up my bags, put it on my forehead, put some on my chin. I don't know why I put it on my chin, and on my cupid's bow. I put a lot of stuff on my lips, as you'll see throughout this tutorial. I like to put pretty much all of my makeup on my lips. So just follow what I do, because I clearly know what I'm talking about. And yeah, make sure you dab your lips as well. Stick your tongue out and do a little dance, because why not? You know, we're girls, we do weird stuff like that. So why would you not do that? Just goof around. You're by yourself. It's not like your man's watching you be an idiot at all. And then yeah, just carry on pom-pomming your face. You know, do your nose a little bit. Just cover your whole face basically. It did start in special places, but I decided just to give up and, you know, cover my whole face. Now I'm gonna put some concealer on, and I'm gonna play dot to dot on my cheek real quick. Ooh, that was fun. I'm gonna connect them in a second. I'm gonna draw a line up there, nice thick line, lovely. I don't look stupid. And put some on your lips. Like I said, we put everything on our lips, underneath and on the top. Put some on your jaw, because this is where the catfish really begins. Now we're starting the contour. This is where guys get fooled, you know, that our cheek structures are mad. And yeah, basically we're gonna fool them into thinking that if they impregnate us, we're gonna give their babies good genetics. So just carry on. Like I said, I'm joining up them dots. And it's blended lovely. Look at that, lovely. Oh my days, look at me go. I'm so beautiful. Oof, look at me. The things I would do to me if I was a boy. Wow. And now take this little brush. This is my favorite brush. I call it Mickey, and I'm gonna draw a little line on my nose. Like I said, we're really getting into the real catfish operation now. Look how thin my nose looks by just drawing two simple lines. Oh my days, if guys did this, it would be chaos. It would be chaos. You'd be going to sleep with Tyrell and waking up with Fat Dave. Oh, Jesus. But look at my nose. Look how sharp it is. Jesus. Put some on your lips for good luck. Like I said, we put everything on our lips. Now, I'm going to do my best to get this marker pen, and I'm going to try draw a line on my eyes. I like this because it makes me feel Egyptian. I think the Egyptians started this. Make sure you put some in your tear duct so that when the guy makes you cry, it really runs down your face, and it will make him feel worse, basically, when he makes you cry. So that's good. That's good. Now, let's look at this line. Did I do it straight? No, absolutely not. Girls, I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to makeup, but I try. And because my Instagram looks shiny, you guys think I know what I'm doing, but really, like, I haven't got a clue. I don't even care about makeup. My man doesn't even like it when I wear makeup. Do you know what? I don't even know why I'm doing this, but I'm doing it for you because I love you guys. And we're moving on. Take out this pencil. This looks painful, and it is painful. And draw, wing it. We're gonna wing it. Normally I'd wing it with the black marker pen, but today I'm winging it with this pencil, and then I'm gonna smudge it. You know, just smudge it a little bit so it looks edgy. I wouldn't really say it looks good, but you know, my mum told me to do it, so now I do it. And then try and draw it nice and evenly on the other eye. In this case, I did it much longer, but you know, we move. Like I said, I'm not that talented when it comes to makeup, but hey. And now I'm gonna take this Flow Better Not Bitter. It looks like cocaine. So little did you know that I know a lot of people like to sniff cocaine, but if you put cocaine on your skin and your cheeks and your jawline, then it makes the contour look sharper. And then pull out this weird eyelash contraption and do something with your eyelashes, and then I don't know, I'm not going to talk too much about this. Then mascara. Now, mascara is key to every catfish job, girls, because guys have longer eyelashes than us, naturally. So make your eyelashes look longer so that guys feel insecure about their eyelashes. And then blend everything. Blend it, baby. Just blend it. Oh my. Look how beautiful I look. Wow. Take out my lightsaber. It's pink because I'm a bad bee. And then, yeah, I'm going to put this, I don't know, I'm going to put this on my lips. Oh my gosh. This is where I really finesse Mandem into wanting to lips my face off. And then suck a tissue, because why not? And we're done. Ladies, gentlemen, I'm done. I can face the world now. Look at my sharp nose, my little smile. Oh, I'm so cute. I'm so beautiful, aren't I? Look at me. Pose. Take pictures, girls. I want you to recreate this look. Take pictures. Tweet me. I don't have Twitter, but if I did, tweet me. Send it on Instagram, and I'm done. I'm out.